In this tutorial, we will cover importing your student database into DataLink Connect. DataLink Connect will allow you to bring in your student database, which includes the student's first name, last name, and student ID number. This will enable you to link all tests scored using your DataLink scanners to a specific student by their name and ID number. There are two ways to add a student into the database. The first is to perform a bulk upload, and the second is to add students one at a time. When adding large groups of students to your database, a bulk upload will be the quickest way. Most gradebook programs allow you to export your student information into an Excel worksheet, which you will want to do. You will then want to save the Excel worksheet. Open DataLink Connect. To open the student database, click on File and scroll down to Student Database. A new window will open, allowing you to view the contents of the student database. Being that this is the first time we are using our student database, we currently do not have any students listed. Click on the Import Students icon, then navigate to the location on your computer where you save the Excel file. Once you select the file and select it Open, the students will be added into your database. You have now successfully imported your student database into DataLink Connect. Once the student database has been imported, it is automatically saved and is available for immediate use. A teacher can import a single classroom, an entire school, or a district. The total number of students in the database will be shown at the bottom left of the student database window. There is no limit to the number of students that can be imported into the database. If DataLink Connect will be shared among several teachers, we recommend adding all the students in the school at once. That way, no matter which teacher is using the DataLink scanner and DataLink Connect, their students will be listed in the database. If you only need to add a single student, or just a couple at a time to your database, you can do so by clicking on the green plus sign at the top of the page where it says Add Student. This will put your cursor at the bottom of the page where you can add the student's information. You can then type the information into the first column, and then tab to the next column until they are all filled in. If you only need to add one or two students at a time, this would be a good way to add their information. For adding larger groups of students, it is best to use the Import Students icon, as it is less time-consuming. You have now successfully created your student database. When you run tests for your classes, assuming the students filled in all their information correctly on their ID field, the student's name and number will show up associated with their test information within DataLink Connect when scored. To learn how to export and share your student database with other DataLink Connect users, view our online tutorial on exporting the student database. If you need additional information on uploading your student database, please contact a member of our technical support team at 800-827-9219.